Hi all, in this video let's learn patch package. What is this patch package? Why to use it? How to use it? Let's learn this with an example. Firstly, why is this patch package should be used? Most of the time we'll be working with the third party libraries. While you're working with the third party libraries, we may face some bugs in this third party libraries. In general, what we do, we wait for the third party library to fix that bug and give a new release so that we can use that third party package. So which makes our development slow. Okay. So that is the first reason. So now what you can do with the patch package, you can fix that bug and you can give a release to your team as a patch, not to the third party library raising a PR and waiting for there. Okay. So you can fix that and share that fix within the team. Okay. I will show how to do that. So that is the reason, first reason why you to use the patch package. Second reason, sometimes while you are using the third party library, you may want to customize some logic. Okay. For that, you wanted to do some temporary fix and check whether it works or not, and if it is working, you wanted to make that fix permanent, uh, instead of waiting for the third party library to do that change. Okay. In these scenarios, adding the custom logic or fixing the temporary bugs in the third party libraries, you can use the patch package. This is the reasons we need to use the patch package. Let's see how to use that. Firstly, I'm installing Lodash. Okay, this is a third party library. We'll modify the code in the Lodash. So next we need to install npm install patch package. I'm installing it as a dev dependency. Okay, once it is installed, this is the first step. We need to install it. Okay, and in any of the third-party library. So I'm taking here as a Lodash as an example. I will go to the node modules here and I will search for the Lodash. So once I find the Lodash, yes, here it is. I will try to modify a function inside the Lodash. So let's take a capitalized function. So this is a function which is present in the Lodash. What does this function does? So if a string was given, it will capitalize the first letter and it will do the lowercase. So with this, it will capitalize only the first letter and all the other letters will be modified into the lowercase. I am removing this function. So I want the other strings to be as it is and only the first letter character should be a capital. Okay. Just have modified the two lowercase. Okay. Now how I can do this? This change I've done. Now how to make this a patch? So I need to run npx. So I will make this window a bit larger. npx patch package. And I need to give the package name, which I modified. So here in this case is a Lodash. I'm clicking enter. That's it. So here now it will create a patch for us. So let's go to the top of the root folder. So in the patches folder will be created inside this patches folder. This fix would be there. Okay, whatever we have modified the change that would be there. And this is a version we have installed of the Lodash and dot patch. It will be created like this. Now what you should do, this is present here. You need to push this to the Git so that you are sharing your fix to your team, entire team. Okay. How, if you share this, now you're doing this, pushing this code to the Git, how the teammates can download or install it. Okay. So in this case, the fourth step you need to do, go to the scripts. Okay. In the scripts, add one more script, the post install script. This is an automatic script. When you do npm install, what happens? It will install all the dependencies. After that, what to be done, that you can mention in this post install. After installing all the dependencies, I want to install this patch as well. For that, I will mention patch package. That's it. Now with this change and with this package change, so all this should be moved to the Git. So next time, whenever your teammates are installing this, they do npm install. What happens? All the dependencies would be installed. And later on, what happens? This patch package. After the installation, the post install command would be triggered and it will run this patch package command and it will install this patch as well. With this, you are sharing this fix or a custom code to entire your team. This is all about the patch package. So let's understand what are few tips about this patch package. First thing, don't overuse it. Never overuse it. And second thing, document this patch package changes. so that other developers can clearly understand why this patch is needed and when this patch should be removed. So these patches should be removed at one point when the third party library is providing this changes or it is doing some upgrades, major upgrades, then you need to verify yourself and then you need to remove these patches as well accordingly. Okay, these are the major tips you need to understand while you are working with the patch package. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.